Hey, what up, y'all? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex. Okay, so this is what happened last week. We had 11 wins, 3 losses, and no break-evens, and 887 pips for the week out of the scalping group. And if you are in the group or plan on joining the group, we put together a new reporting, and this is what it's going to look like for you. So every week in the Signals group, we're actually posting up so that you guys can easily follow along with what our performance is week by week with the monthly totals. So for this 2 weeks, we've had 20 wins, 6 losses, 2 break-evens, and the scalping group did roughly about 3,000 pips. Now, also keep in mind that even though this week we had 3 losses, in actuality it was actually 1, because 2 of these that were lost we actually won back. So the only true loss we actually had was on USD CAD. So therefore it is, but I still report it accordingly. So technically, again, it should have been 9 and 1, but because we did win back the 2 that were lost, so realistically, you know, it's cool. So 11-3. So anyway, 20 wins, 6 losses, 2 break-evens, 100 pips for the scalping group, and there you are. So that's our report for this week. And if you want to join the Signal service, here's the website. Go to www.supereasyforex.com/signal-service and come and join us. And we will see you guys in the group on tomorrow. Thank you very much.